What's going on YouTube? Weeb is back with another reaction, and today we have Fit for an Autopsy, Far From Heaven. So Fit for an Autopsy is just one of those bands that I never got into. I don't know why. I think I heard maybe 2 songs from them, but this is their newest music video. And the only reason why I'm checking them out is just the fact that it popped up in my Spotify, and when I was working, I had a customer that was talking about Fit for an Autopsy and how great their performance is and a whole bunch of other stuff. So might as well check them out, see how their new music is. But before we start, I do want to ask all of you guys one favor. Please hit that subscribe button, help me out. I am almost at 100 subs, so every sub counts. That being said, 3, 2, 1, let's jam. That intro to this song, pretty damn good. Once again, I don't understand why I never got into this band. Their lead singer is really good, and their instrumentals are just amazing. But yeah, let's continue. And it burns till the sky turns black. Few things I do want to point out: visuals, amazing, and the chorus is really good. I really like that chorus. I guess I'm having a little bit of regrets for not showing this band enough love.
The children of war will quench their appetite with the lust for earth
So I had to stop somewhere, break up the video a little bit, but I do have to say this is a very interesting music video. So that was Fit for an Autopsy, Far From Heaven, and amazing song. Definitely go and check this band out more. Amazing chorus, amazing instrumentals, and that's all I really got to say for this video. If you are new, definitely hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, please hit like, leave a comment down below. What did you think? And until next video, peace.